What's up, E-Crew? Welcome back. Well, we're here today in Chinatown for the LA LAESK8 group ride. It is so early. I'm not a morning person, but it is what it is. I think we got caught up a little bit here. We're gonna try to get out of this way. We'll cut through in Chinatown here. Pedal our way around. Maybe take a nice photo here for sure. Trying to cut through the alleys here. Trying to get to the meetup, which I'm sure we're probably going to change the route a little bit because of that blockage behind there. So I probably go here maybe only once a year now, if that. A few ladies here today, maybe 3 actually, but maybe about 30 men or so. I think the ride's about to get started. Lots of nice DIY bikes for sure. Let's get started. There's actually not a lot of ONYX today. There's way more surrons for sure. A couple of things I've done here. Finally added my fairing, and that's pretty much it. Added my fairing, changed the seat a little bit. I'm always fiddling with the seat whether I want stock or this one. This one drops it a little bit lower. I put back the standard shocks because it was drooping a little bit too short, and it wasn't making the signal lights visible. So I put it back for safety, and it wasn't standing up correctly like they mentioned. I would have to change these kickstands to shorty as well if I wanted to drop the back for the kickstand to work properly. But yeah, that's the ride for today. The blue ONYX. Alright, we rolling. Oh, I like a bike. What's that red bike about? Looks like a surron, but it's not a surron. We rolling. I want to hang out with the ONYX riders. Hang back a little bit. There's a shorty. Let's go, guys. Alright, I'll roll with Eric. Looks like the street's kind of cleared up already. So yeah, this is the first time I'm riding an ONYX out here in LA LAESK8, Chinatown. Definitely feel comfortable on the street. Coincidentally, I go here once a year and it always happens to be around October. Just magically happens. That's a couple of surron ladies. That's cool. You rarely see Super 73s here anymore. And that's because these rides aren't made for them anymore. These are fast rides. There's aerial grizzlies here. That's cool. They can hang. Alright, let's test this on the bridge. You! Mr. Wheelier on a bridge. I don't know who this guy is. It's not Sir Unster. my. I'm caught behind this truck. Let's turn and burn. Sorry guys, I've been watching Maverick way too many times, and just gotta love their lingo. And the movie, you gotta watch the movie if you haven't. This is probably the first hill for this ONYX. It's literally only 90 miles. I had to add some miles today. Give it a test run. Let's do some flybys. Yeah, I'm still getting used to it. It's definitely easier to corner with a shorty bike, but that I have more control in the shorty bike. Here we go. I miss this place. This windiness. It's a perfect place to test your bikes. We are gonna go to the Halloween ride, by the way. That's coming up in a few weeks, and it should be around here as well. I don't know who to be yet, or if I'm even gonna dress up, but it should be fun. Should be like 300 people, give or take. Ah, yeah, my turns are weird. I'm not comfortable. I don't like this ONYX stock tires. It feels too skinny and it wobbles when you're going so fast, when you're maxing the throttle. I definitely like the Shinko 241s, I think. Those feels grippier and more sturdier overall. You know what I'm noticing is there's definitely much more newer people. The OG people are like, you know, phased out, maybe. Definitely new faces for sure. I think this is my buddy. I can't tell. He has a blue aerial rider. Can't tell if this is long. If he has a front hub motor, it's long. No, that's not long. He doesn't have a front hub motor. But he does have an xclass though. Yo. Long. Is that you?
Yeah, who's this?
Julian.
Oh shit.
What's up, man? I was trying to. I got a blue ONYX.
Look at this.
I just got it last week. Some guy was.
Oh, wow.
It was an offer.
I'm in that color now?
The ONYX himself painted it. Apparently.
Wow.
I was trying to identify you. I'm like, wait, but he has a front hub motor.
Oh, I removed it.
Yeah.
like right after when you saw me a week later, I removed it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I bought a 3,000 kit.
Oh, nice. What are you pushing on this?
Like 3,072 volts.
Okay, like miles per hour.
It went up to like 55.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
I tuned it down to the flex weakening to 45.
To save you.
Drawing power really quick.
Yeah.
It's only a 45 amp controller.
Wait, is it a 72 volt battery?
Yeah.
Nice, man.
And another 72 volt right there.
That's awesome, dude.
You know, go like 60, right?
No, I've only gone like 55.
55.
I didn't do any Kelly stuff, so
Okay.
there's a sicko mode. I didn't do any of that.
Right.
It's just stock.
What's the range on that? Like, did you get the 40 amp hour one?
This is the 41 amp.
Wow.
So that one, this one, I mean, it should go around.
And those are around 60 miles, right?
Not city riding. If I think it's city riding, it should only go around 40, because the 23 amp is only around 20.
Yeah, the 23 amp's not enough for that power.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm learning.
Man, you got so many bikes out here.
I had to get rid of some too. But yeah. How you been, man?
Been alright, same day.
Nice.
Riding.
Yeah.
So hot. I got into e-skate.
Oh,
So me and my, $500.
I'm considering like EUCs, man.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, it's so portable. Oh yeah. But they're always flying though.
Yeah.
This looks. I think they have the funnest ones, you know? Yeah, 'cause yeah. Oh yeah, you skate. Well, you should go mountain bike with us. It's fun too.
I'm building one right now.
Oh, sweet.
I have a mountain bike. I'm looking for a mid-drive. I don't know what the mid-drive motors do.
Oh, the bafang mid-drives.
Bafang?
Yeah, I always go mountain biking.
Would you recommend, like a 750, 1000?
You know the 750 watt, you're okay. Yeah. Do you have Mondays available?
Monday?
Yeah.
I know, I still get your emails.
Okay. Ooh, custom Cadillacs. The hydraulics. Here we go. Part 2. Roll to downtown LA. I just noticed that there is no Super 73 here today. Like, at all. You notice that there's no Super 73s? Like, is it because it... Oh, wait, there's one right there. Finally see one. No, it's not. It just has grizzly tires. It has Super 73.
Your car's getting faster and faster.
It's getting... Yeah, that's what I think too, huh?
I don't think that those bikes are able to...
So this is like a preview of what Halloween would look like. Yep, like 0 people pedaling here for sure. Everything is just push a button or EUC and balance. 4th Street and Alameda. This is one of my favorite Kobe mural here. That's amazing. This is a new route. I don't remember going here before with LAESK8. Why are cars like stopping? Every time they see a ride, they just completely stop. Yo. Crystal loves this bridge. Oh, look at that. I guess we are using the bridge. Again, I haven't been here, so I'm glad I came here. It was so tough for me to wake up early in the morning to get to this ride. I'm glad I went here. I haven't been here.
You come here at night. It's really nice.
Oh, nice.
It's all lit up.
Really? Very cool. Whew. Crystal would love this. If we do this in Halloween, she would love this. And apparently at night it lights up. Very cool. If you don't have the torque, you wouldn't be able to hang on these rides anymore. A lot of ONYX users, when I'm down to 4 bars and at max throttle, it shuts off. The battery shuts off, among other things. Okay, got the bridge, got the tunnel. You can manage with a BBS HD on these kind of rides, or even a BBS02, 52 volts. We're doing a turn. We're doing a turn. It's like pavement riding is boring for me, but you know, this LA EASK8 ride finds a way to make it dicey and, you know, I don't know, entertaining. So you're always on your toes. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? They find ways to get a thrill ride out of regular pavement riding. Like for example, make a left on a very busy street with no lights, or make a left and make a quick right. But credit to Sawyer, I do love the route. It's very nice, very scenic. Alright, well, looks like there's a USC event going on, and they're actually just flagging us inside a certain way. And I guess we're breaking here for a while, in front of the stadium. Alright, we're leaving. So yes, it's true. The 23 amp ONYX battery cuts off after the low 64 volts, and if you're in sport mode and you're max throttling it, it just cuts off, and you have to like turn it on and off to get it to working again. And apparently it's very prevalent in all ONYX 23 amp battery. I didn't know that as an owner. I was testing it one night and it was shutting off on me. I thought it was a controller, but thank goodness it's just a battery. It's working after that, after a few charge. Mark's really good with his wheelies now. That's what practice will do for you. Well, I also wanted to note that I came here fully charged with a 41 amp battery, and we did about a 22-mile ride in downtown LA, pushing it here and there, and I still have 8 bars out of 10. But if I'm not mistaken, this 41 amp battery is like 40 to 50 miles realistically. That's going to be today's ride, folks. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your electric vehicle. Stay tuned for more content. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.